Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Party Name Prep, I'm going to show you another incredible Python plugin available right in Eclipse 11. I'm in Eclipse 11, and I can find the Party Name Prep plugin in the plugin store. I'm going to go to Support, Plugins, Plugin Store, and if I put these in alphabetical order, I should see Party Names Preparation. And it says that it's going to add a Tools Real-Time Party Prep function to the menus. So I'm going to download this. Next, I'll go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins. And I'm going to find my Party Prep plugin. And next, since it's going to add a toolbar menu, I need to enable it. So I'll enable and press OK. And I will restart Eclipse. And now if I go to Tools, Real-Time, I now have Party Prep listed in my options. So I'm going to select Party Prep. I'm going to name the job dictionary I'd like to create. First, I'm going to put in the defendant's name and his or her title. Next, I'll put in the plaintiff attorney. And next, I'll put in the defendant attorney. And once I put in all three of my identifiers, then I get dictionary entries for all three of those speakers. I get speaker entries for both of my attorneys, and I get entries for both their first names and just their last names with their title. And this was all done in only a few seconds by going to Tools, Real-Time, Party Prep, putting in the title and name of the defendant, the title and name of the plaintiff attorney, and the title and name of the defendant attorney. And you get all the entries necessary to begin using those names immediately. And of course, if you don't like the steno that's being used, just let us know and we'll help you customize the plugin to meet your needs. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support can be reached with any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.